Before your first use, oil the entire casserole and lid on the inside and outside with vegetable oil suitable for consumption. Use the casserole set on the cooking plate or grill of your Ophir or in the pizza oven. There is also an adapted set available for your Ophir Tableau. The Ophir cast iron products are not suitable for use on other cooking units or in the oven. Also, small scratches can be removed with oil. After usage, you can easily clean with soap and water. Don't place your casseroles or other cast iron accessories in the dishwasher. Oil the set again after cleaning and store oiled in a dry place inside.